Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to yoga class. We start with pranayam breathing. Interlock your finger, nice and tight grip, exactly below the chin. Knuckle always touching with your chin, thumb always touching with your throat. Relax the shoulder and start, please. Inhale, chin down, elbow up, stomach tight, hips tight, body weight on the heel. Hold it. Exhale, drop the head back, look the wall behind you. Elbows should touch each other away from your chest. You got it. Inhale, inhale with your nose, your stomach tight, your buttock tight, elbow maximum up. Hold it. Exhale, make a nice ha sound. Your elbow should touch each other, front of your chest, away from your chest. Inhale, chin down. Your arm should touch the ear eventually in the future. Exhale, your mouth wide open. Make a nice ha sound, H-A ha sound. Inhale. The whole day we breathe only 10% from the chest. To breathe 100%. Exhale. Your elbows should touch each other, front of your chest, away from your chest. You got it. Inhale. Every time, little more than the last one. So more and more and more. Exhale. The more you exhale, the more you take fresh oxygen in for the next time. Inhale. Stomach in tight to expand your lungs. Exhale. Again, stomach in tight to expand your lungs. Inhale. Chin down. Look front. Concentrate. Meditate. Thank you. Exhale. With present mind. With aware mind. Hold it. Inhale. Breathe for long to live for long. Hold it. Exhale. We all breathe only 10% from the chest. The last one. Inhale. The deepest part from the lungs. The longest one from the morning till evening. Hold it. Exhale. Much better. And change. Thank you. Arms up sideways. Half moon pose. Interlock your finger. Release your index finger. Thumb cross. Stretch arm. Touch the ceiling. Very nice. Wrist together, both of you. Very good. Do whatever best you can do. Now move right and left and right and left and right and left and right and left. 10 to 15 times. Like a candle fragrance. Keep moving. Keep moving. Keep moving. Every time in the center, you stretch up more. You both are good student. I am also a student like you. Always place to learn. Human like to learn. Progress equal happiness. To trim down your stomach. To make your spine strong. Now stop in the middle. Now wrists together. Very nice. Now stretch arm touch the ceiling. From your waistline, stretch up one more time. You're trying to touch the ceiling. Chin up, chest up, stomach tight, squeeze your inner thigh, buttock tight. Stretch up, bend to your right side. Absolutely in a straight line. Your body look like a half moon pose. Your wrists together, no gap in your wrist, very good. From your index finger till the heel, everything is stretching on the left side of your body. Your right shoulder front, both the shoulder in one line. Your left hips in the front, both the hips in one line. Your stomach tight, your chin is up, look front on one spot. Don't even blink your eyes, arms back, chin up, chest up, very good. Stomach tight, buttock tight, chin is up, come down more, stretch arm more, push to the left side. Feel a squeezing feeling on the right side of your body. Feel a stretching feeling on the left side of your body to detox your kidney. Squeeze your inner thigh, your buttock tight, your stomach tight. Come down more, stretch arm more, push out more, push, push, push. Come up, chain. Thank you. One more time, stretch up, touch the ceiling. From your waistline, stretch up, stretch up, stretch up. Bend to your left side, absolutely in a straight line. Without bending the elbow, without bending the knee. Continuously push your hips to the right side beyond your flexibility. Your left shoulder front, both the shoulder in one line. Your chin is up, see your jaw line. Look front on one spot, both of you very good, stomach tight. Breathe with your nose, mouth is closed, come down more, stretch arm more, push arm more, push, 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 push. Feel the stretch, feel the squeezing feeling on the left side, feel the stretching feeling on the right side. Your chin is up, chest is up, stomach tight, come down more, push, 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 come up, chain. Thank you. Now drop the head back, look the wall behind you. Everything is from the chest, hips muscle tight. Inhale, breathing, arms back. Look back, fall back, stretch arm, touch the wall behind you. Touch the index finger to the heel, no problem, no pressure from you. Push your hips front, push your thigh front, push your stomach front. Last time, look back, fall back, way back, go back, lower back, middle back, upper back, total back, backward bending. You're trying to fall back. Remove fear out, look opposite to your book reading, opposite to your computer. Look back, fall back, way back, go back, more back. Come up, change. Bend the knee, arms and head comes together. Move your hips right and left and right and left and right and left and right and left. Don't move your knee, don't move your feet. Don't move your toe. Don't move your heel, move your knee right and left and right and left. If you want to sit, sit, sit. If you want to bounce, bounce, bounce. Little bit on the toe, very good, like on the toe, very good, right and left and right and left like me. Move your hips right and left and right and left and right. Very nice, very nice. Keep moving, keep moving, keep moving. Now stop and grab the heels from behind. Wow, very good front bending. Step all the 10 fingers. The little finger should touch each other. Elbow behind the calf muscle, underneath the heel. Very good. Excellent. Elbow behind the calf muscle. You can face each other. Stomach on the thigh. You can face each other. Please, stomach on the thigh. Chest on the knee. Face on the leg below the knee. Your stomach on the thigh. Your chest on the knee. Your face on the leg below the knee. Beautiful. Your shoulder going up to the ceiling. Your neck getting nice and long. You're very good. You pull your heel, push your knee back, lock the knee. Touch the top of the head to the feet. Your back of the leg stretching, your hips stretching, your whole body stretching. There should be no gap like the miss. The stomach on the thigh, your chest on the knee, your face on the leg below the knee. Body like a perfect Japanese ham sandwich. No gap for mayonnaise, no gap for ham. So pulling is the object of stretching. So pull your heel. Push your knee back, lock the knee, touch the top of the head to the feet. Your thigh muscle tight, you don't fall on the head. Your stomach muscle tight, you don't fall on the head. So last chance, pull your heel, push your knee back, lock the knee, lock the knee, lock the knee, lock the knee, lock the knee. Inhale, breathing, come up. Pada Hastasana, chiropractor. Good morning, spine. Right leg step to the right. Challenge yourself, very nice. 15 centimeter. If you want, you can take a measurement like this. Very good. The toe doesn't go out, doesn't go in. Is perfectly straight. Your toe behind the heel, arms up, stretch arm. Nothing loose, nothing hanging in your arm. Your tricep muscle tight, your stomach muscle tight. Very good. Concentrate, meditate. You can face each other, no problem. Face each other, stretch arm, thank you. Inhale, breathing, sit down in the chair. You should look exactly in the chair. Sitting in the chair, the knee goes behind the toe. Very good, no pressure for me. Stomach tight. If I blow on your chest, you fall back. Stomach is in, look in your eyes, each other's eyes, don't even blink your eyes, see who can first blink the eyes, do little sports with happy smiling face, no pressure, very good, little bit personal training, sit down little bit, lift your toe up, toe, arch your back, smile, trick the brain, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, come up slowly, come up on the toe. There is a wall behind you, your head and hip touching the wall. Don't lift the wall, inhale, breathing, sit down against the wall. Spine perfectly straight. I should come and keep a water glass. Wow, both of you good students. Heels up, super heel shoes you're wearing, girls. Knee up, good mademoiselle. Stomach tight, good señorita. Very good. Miss, knee up, heels up, stretch arm. Stomach tight, we do twice. Only for this one, we're doing once. Heels up, knee up, heels up, knee up, heels up, knee up, heels up. Both the knee up. Look front. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come up slowly. Bring your knee together. Now face the camera, please. Face the camera, please. Come up a little bit. Bring your knee together. There is no stop in it. Heels up first. Heels up. Come up a little bit. Bring your knee together and go down slowly against the wall. And sit on the heel. So knee together. Very good. Stretch your arm. Then come up a little bit. Very good. Now bounce and 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 bounce. Stop. Aha. Knee up. Chin up. Fall back, no front bending, against the wall. 1, come up a little bit, stop, no pressure for me. 2, stop, no problem, smiling, happy face. 3, you're a good student, that's why I call you. 4 and 5, change. We miss you all the class. I prefer you to be there. Very good, breathe, breathe, breathe. You're a very nice student. Legs together, toe together, eagle pose. After awkward pose, arms up, right arm down, swing. Pull the elbow down, sit down, all the way, very good. Interlock the finger, kiss the thumb, fingertip below. Now sit like even. Very good. Then come up halfway, both of you. In the chair. Very good. Now lift your chest up. Wait, wait, wait. Stomach is in. Now lift your right leg maximum up. Super. Put it behind the calf muscle. Bravo. Very nice. Miss, chest up. Very good. Even. Put it behind the calf muscle even. Very good. Even. I should see the toe in the mirror. Toe in the mirror. Very nice. Toe in the mirror. Excellent. Lift your chest up. Now your wrist, your elbow, your knee, your toe should be in one line. Now kiss the thumb, your nose, your wrist, your elbow, your navel, your toe should be in one line. Body to the right, knee to the left to correct them. Stomach is in, chest up like cobra pose, bhujangasana. Sit down more, twist like rope. The more you sit, the more you get benefit. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job, guys. Very nice. arms up, eagle pose, Garud Asana, left arm down, swing. Pull the elbow down. Bravo, gracias, sit down. Very nice, please, chest up. Come up halfway, stay there, chest up, stomach. Lift your left leg maximum up, super. Put behind the calf muscle, very nice. See the toe in the camera, very good, I got you. Very good, see the toe in the camera, chest up more, stomach is in, look front, concentrate, meditate on one spot. Don't even blink your stomach is in. You're sitting exactly in the chair like a miss. If you sit too high, you don't contract the muscle. You go too down, too good, not good. Exactly in the chair. Pull the elbow down, everything hurt like hell. To open up your skeleton system, to flush out your kidney, to trim down your stomach, your body weight on the heel, look front, smile, trick the brain. This is the time for you to flush out your kidney, to open up your skeleton system, to strengthen your bone, to get more oxygen to your brain, improve your blood circulation in your brain, improve your blood circulation stomach, open up your 14 big joint of your skeleton system, sit more, twist more for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you everybody, good stuff. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Cardio training. Shift all your body weight on your left leg, interlock the finger, head to knee, the toughest one. Lift your right leg up, very good, and grab the right foot 2 inches below the toe. Miss your very good first day, I love it. Left knee lock, stomach tight, bravo. As a beginner, you can bend the leg. In the future, leg should be one piece, stomach tight. If you're ready, kick the leg. Even the thumb inside. Kick the heel towards the front wall, super. Your toe towards your face, bravo. Elbow next to your calf muscle, bravo. Elbow below the calf muscle, touch the forehead to the knee. Stomach in tight, stay there, freeze for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, change. Now face this side even, stand here please, facing this side. Miss can face in the back here please, thank you. Even come here please, facing this side. And lift your this leg up. Arms up, leg up, stomach tight. If you're ready, kick the leg. Look up, chin up, chest up. Thumb also in, never shortcut. Right leg, left leg, look upside down, L. L for Linda, toe towards you, very good. Elbow next to your calf muscle, elbow should touch the calf muscle, elbow below the calf muscle. Get your forehead close to your stomach like a rabbit pose Sasangasana. It should look like this, bicep strong, elbow below the calf muscle. Right knee lock, left knee lock, stay there freeze for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's the posture. Then in the future, arms back, do namaskar and touch the forehead to the knee. Very good, that's the future. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you can stay there, no problem. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Inhale, exhale, inhale. You can face each other. Right, relax your little bit back first, very good. Relax your back. Then right arm sideways. And go grab the right ankle from inside. Bravo. Come little front, miss. You can come little front, thank you. Please grab the ankle from inside. Stretch your left arm up. Chin up. Use your core muscle, stomach tight, legs tight, and kick at the back. Very nice. Palm facing down. Look front. Stretch your arm. Make your leg look like a 6 o'clock in the watch. Chin touching the left shoulder. I got you. Fall in the front, stomach, chest pad to the floor. Your leg muscle tight. Your stomach muscle tight. You're good. Chin touching the right shoulder. Fall in the front. So make your stomach, chest pad to the floor. Kick at the back. Stretching and kicking, no pressure. Kick hard, kick more. Stretching the left arm and kicking the right leg at the back is 50-50. Kick and stretch for 10, 9, 8, 7. Now still the body, still the mind. Freeze like a Statue of Liberty in New York. Don't even blink your eyes. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you. Gracia, mercy. Very good. Left arm sideways. Go and grab the left ankle from inside. Ankle. Chin up. Always practice like a supermodel. Chin up, chest up. Like you're practicing in Paris, in Amsterdam, in Moscow, in St. Petersburg. Inhale, breathing, kick. In Tokyo. Very good. Stretch arm. The whole planet belongs to human. For animal, for plant, for everybody. Stretch arm. Stomach tight to make the planet nice and green. Stretch arm, stomach in tight. Stomach, chest pad to the floor. Look front on one spot. Don't even blink your eyes. The story from Mahabharata. Very good. Arjun is hitting the bow on the bird eyes. Tremendous concentration. You don't see the tree. You don't see the bird. You see the bird eyes. Tremendous concentration like Arjun. Stretch arm, bow pose, Dhanurasana. Kick hard, kick more, stretch more for 10, 9, 8, 7, 50. Kick and stretch for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change. When you practice, please practice twice. Come at the back of the mat. Please facing the mirror, arms up sideways. If you have at home mirror, put the mirror in the front. Right knee lock, left knee lock, arms back, chin up, chest up, stomach is in, look up, inhale. Breathing when you heard a clap, inhale, breathing, charge. T for tiger, stretch your arm, stretch your leg, your body look. T for tiger, T for terrific, legs tight, arm should touch the ear. Look front, there is a camera, there is a mirror in the front. You look on the mirror on your right knee, the arm should touch the ear. Stretch your arm, stretch your leg, your body look. T for tiger, T for terrific, T for torture, stretch, 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 stretch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You can face each other. You can be here now. You can be at the back of the arms up, please. Left leg front. Very good. Left knee lock. Right knee lock. Thank you. Look up. Both the hips bone in one line. Inhale. Breathing. Charge. Both the hips bone in one line. Point your toe. Body look. T for tiger. T for terrific. Stretch your arm. Stomach tight. Very good. T for torture. T for terrific. T for Bengal tiger. I am pulling your arm in the front. I am pulling your leg at the back like a tug of war. So stretch, 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 stretch. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Chain. Thank you. Breathe, breathe. You can face front, please. You can be in the front. You can be at the back. We do separate leg stretching. We can go out of the yoga mat. Arms up. When I clap, only this movement is there, even this movement is there. Inhale, breathing, take a big step. Toe and heels in one line. Then very good, look up. Then go down slowly, grab the heel. Very good, from outside. Hook the finger. Then I make a line from right to the left. You touch the forehead on the line. The spine is perfectly straight. For the mist, the spine is perfectly straight. I make from right toe to the left toe, separate leg stretching. The blood is rushing full speed to the brain to get more oxygen to the brain, to improve the nervous system of your brain. So even pull the heel so your bicep muscle becomes strong. Pulling is the object of stretching. For the mist, from the tailbone, everything is stretching in the upper body. From the tailbone, everything is stretching in the lower body till the toe. Look in front to improve your blood circulation in your brain. Your stomach is in, stay there freeze for 10, 9, breathe with your nose. 7, 6. I am talking to catch the monkey mind. Human mind is like a monkey, always jumping from one place to another. Still the monkey mind. With this iPhone, we forgot an eye. So connect with your eye, connect with your breath, connect with yourself for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yoga means to discover yourself. The master pose Trikonasana. Arms up, legs together, arms down. Very good. When you heard my clap, arms and legs move together. Arms up, take a big step, arms down. Very nice. Right leg turn to the right. Super. Both the heels in one line. So come little bit back even. Both the heels in one line. Bend the right leg. Super. The right leg should look upside down. L. L for lion. L for Linda. Arms back. Body should look like a box. So sit down. Left knee lock, left foot flat, left toe inside, arms back, chin up, chest up, stomach is in, stay there freeze. Inhale, breathing, move your arm. Right elbow front of the right knee, Trikonasana, triangle posture, chin touching the left shoulder. Stretch your left arm up, touch the ceiling. Stretch your left arm up, stretch your right arm down. By touch the big toe, second toe. No weight on the fingertips against the floor. No ring toes on your forehead. Stretch your left arm up, stretch your right arm down. Both the arms look like a 6 o'clock in the watch. Relax your body, relax your face, breathe nicely, struggle more, suffer more. The more you struggle, the more you suffer, the more you get benefit. The pain kills the pain. The poison kills the poison. The iron cuts the iron. When you have a snake bite in India, you heal with the snake poison. The most cheapest and efficient. Poison kills the poison. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you. Left leg turn to the left. Right leg on position. Bounce and bounce and bounce like a motorcycle ride. Very good. The left knee is exactly on the left ankle. Arms back. Chin up, chest up. Don't move the leg. Don't move the body. Inhale, breathing, move your arm. Left elbow front of the left knee, super. Stretch your right arm up, super. Stretch your right arm up. Stretch your left arm down. Your fingertip between the big toe, second toe. No weight on the fingertips, again the floor. This is the Trikonasana. This is the triangle. 1, 2, 3. This is a triangle. Stretch your right arm up. Stretch your left arm down. Wow, what a student. With the left elbow, left knee back. I'm enjoying with you. Stomach is in. Right knee lock. It's pleasure to spend time. Every class when I am with you, I am learning. I'm also a student. Never be a follower. Be a student. I am telling the whole story in that one. And you stay there for 3 hours. You flush out your heart. A good question is better to suffer 1 minute or suffer in your life for 100 years for never for your heart. Is a master pose Trikonasana. Every organs, every muscle is engaged at the same time in the Trikonasana. That's why it's a master pose. The Prime Minister of Yoga, Trikonasana. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you, guys. Little bit fast when you practice. Practice little slow. Legs together, arms down. Breathe, 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 breathe. Inhale, exhale, inhale. Feel your heart. Your heart rate is 191. Arms up. Take a 3-fist step. Not too big, not too small. Lift your toe. Turn to the garden side. See the nice, beautiful coconut trees. We are so lucky. Very good. We can turn to the left side, no problem. So she can watch, no problem. Stretch your arm. Back leg 45 degree. Stretch your arm. Touch your chin to the chest. And round your back like an angry cat. If you can keep your arms at the back, also is fine. Namaskar. Very good. Or interlock the finger. Yeah, Namaskar is better. Then touch the forehead on the top of the knee. Very nice, like the mist. Stomach tight. Push your right hips up. Stomach in tight. Push your right hips up. Push your left hip down. Where your hairline starts, the forehead should touch the ceiling. The forehead should face the ceiling. Your forehead on the top of the head, where your line starts, the forehead should touch the knee. Your forehead should face the ceiling. Stomach is in. Your back leg is 45 degree to flush out your kidney, to trim down your stomach, to maintain your hormones. Very good. Very difficult to breathe there. In your uncomfortable position, find your comfort for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change. Thank you. Turn to the other side. Bravo. I'm enjoying with you. Move your hips 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So both the hips in one line. Chin to the chest. You can do this one also. Very good. Interlock the finger and go down slowly and touch the forehead to the knee on the top of the knee. And like the mist. That's the advanced posture. Who cannot do it? Bend the leg. No problem. Touching the forehead to the knee. Your throat is choked. Difficult to breathe. Round your back like an angry cat to flush out your kidney. You're sweating. Yeah, no problem. Stomach tight. You can do Namaskar also. Throat choke. Difficult to breathe. Forehead facing the ceiling. Your throat is choked. Difficult to breathe, to flush out your kidney, to open up your crown chakra and your throat chakra, to maintain the hormones. Stomach in tight, to lose weight from stomach. Who want to lose weight, they're going to lose weight. Who want to gain muscle weight, they're going to gain muscle weight. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change. Thank you. Legs together, arms down, breathe on. Tree pose, Tadasana. Right leg up. Very good. The heel should touch the shot. The sole should face the ceiling. One arm up, second arm. Knee back, shoulder back. I got you. Stretch your spine. Confident. To lengthen your spine. Stretch your spine to become more 2 centimeter tall. Very good. After 40, you lose 2 centimeter height. After age of 40, to gain the height 2 centimeter. Confidence. Yoga means confidence. Yoga means hope. Stomach tight. Left knee lock. Look front. What you see from one shot on the front. When you close your eyes, get your mind back to your eyes. You see the same thing. Get your mind back to your ear, behind the ear. Listen what your mind wants to listen. What you see with your physical eyes, when you close your eyes, you see the same thing. You are in meditation. Relax, breathe, relax the body, relax your breath. We practice yoga to have confidence, to improve physical health, mental health, emotional health. Whatever happened is over. New day, new life. New minute, new life. Chapter close. Your best teacher is your last mistake. Give yourself a best gift. Forgive everybody. Let it go. It's never too old, never too late to start a yoga class from scratch. I am talking like to catch the monkey mind. Change. Body alignment posture. Go and grab the left leg. Confident posture. Knee back, shoulder back, stretch your spine up, look up, stomach up, freeze, meditate. Concentrate, meditate. Now if you're ready, go for the toe pose. Keep your arms on the floor if you want. Yes. Very nice. Then one arm up, then second arm up. Then if you can still do good, one arm, one leg in the front. Very good. Or as a beginner, you can do both the side the same exercise. Right side the same, left side the same. If you can do like even, do like even. If you like, do like a Miss Mademoiselle Sayorita, join her. And come up straight. 1, 2, 3. In the future, 10 times. Where the way you started, the way you reverse the posture. Change. We just finished warming up. Yoga class begin now. Lie on your back, relax. Thank you. The skin is changed. Yeah. Always take 1 minute break here. Yeah. Palm facing up. Get your heels together. Drop your toe aside. Even touch the thumb on the gravity. Yeah. All the finger on the gravity. The gravity takes. Be in a comfortable position. Then don't move the body, only stomach movement. Now listen to your breath. Listen to your heart. You listen to some ocean is okay. But you hear some sound is coming from the ocean. The mind is gone there. Bring it back to your breath. Listen to your breath. Listen to your heart. You are a very good student. Now Pawan Muktasana, exercise for stomach. Right leg up. Pull the right knee, interlock the finger, 2 inches below the knee, your left toe towards you, chin down, grab it, hold it, pull hard, your bicep muscle strong like you're doing dumbbell curl, your shoulder down, there should be no gap between the neck and the floor, chin down, your bicep muscle tight, your left thigh muscle tight, your left toe towards you for your ski, for your running, for your bicycling to strengthen the knee for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change. Left leg up, 2 inches. The bicep should be strong. Your chin should be down. Your elbow should be good. Stay there, freeze. Your stomach tight, very good. Create a pressure in your lower abs. Stay there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. For one posture, you can keep both of your legs like this. Head here. Yeah, even is enough. Then both the legs up. Yeah, and grab the elbow. It should look like this. Both the hips going in the yoga mat, both the shoulder going in the yoga mat, chin going down. There should be no gap between the neck and the floor. The whole spine should be flat on the floor like the Miss. Very good. Knee on the chest, shoulder down. Stay there. To never have a stomach problem, back problem, acidity problem for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change. Thank you. Very nice. Now lie down your stomach. For even you face this side, Miss will face towards the front. So you have 2 vision to practice. Thank you. All 5 fingers together tight. Legs together, 5 fingers together. Your arm should be exactly underneath the shoulder, chin down. Inhale, breathing, come up halfway. King Cobra, Bhujangasana. Belly button should be on the floor. Your navel should be on the floor. Your elbow close. Your legs like a cobra tail. No wrinkles on your forehead. Look up towards the ceiling. Breathe. Legs together, toe together, heels together. All 5 fingers together to never have a lower back pain. We are doing a beginner class. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change. Arms underneath your stomach. That was for your lower back. Now you strengthen your upper spine. Elbow underneath your stomach. Chin down. Look front. Very good. Inhale. Breathing. Right leg up. 45 degree. 1. You have both the hips going in one line. Chin down. Leg up. 2. Lock the knee. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right leg down, left leg up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10. Kiss the mat. Readjust yourself. Grab the floor with your fingertip. Inhale, breathing. Both the legs up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very nice. 9, 9.5. Quarter. 10. Thank you. Arm sideways. Legs like a cobra tail. Very good. Arms like an aeroplane wing. 7, 4, 7 taking off. Legs like a cobra tail. Inhale, breathing, fly. Your arm should be back of the head. Look up, chin up, chest up. Feel on your pectorals muscle. Chin up, very good. Now legs up, super, fly. Wow, beautiful posture. Chin up, chest up, rib cage up, belly button up, knee up, thigh muscle up. Only the hip bone should touch the floor for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good for your middle spine. All your energy is in the spine. Very good. Now watch to the right side. Keep your left ear on the mat. The left ear down, both the shoulder down. That remove neck problem, shoulder problem. The next one when we do, you watch left side. Fold your legs, grab the feet. Dhanurasana. For total spine. Inhale, breathing, kick hard, kick more, look up, look back, kick hard, bravo, look up, touch the back of the head to your buttock in the future. Look up towards the ceiling with a happy smiling face. Good for your total spine. Kick hard, kick more for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change. Very nice. Now if you want, you can do 25 push-up. Watch left side first, watch left side. Relax, very good. Little break. Press your left ear on the mat, shoulder down, breathe nicely. Now push up. You can do 5, 10, 25 or just do like a Surya Namaskar one. Very good. Who want to do plank, do a plank. Then go on the elbow plank. Very good, stay there. Then right leg up. Then right leg down. Then left leg up. Then look up. Then walk and do scorpio. If you know. If you don't do, just do plank. Then fold the leg. Then touch the feet on the back of the head. Do whatever best you can do, or just do plank, or just do push up. If you have a personal coach, you do it. If you are doing at home alone, don't do it. Just do push up, take a break, or if you know, please do it. Inhale, breathing, come up. Supta Vajrasana. Come on the top of the mat. You can face even to me. No, to me. She will do like that. Separate your feet. Sit on your buttock. See, even is sitting on the buttock. The heel should touch the buttock. Right elbow down. The miss is doing left elbow down. It should be like the miss. Both the knees should be in one line. Grab, right, keep your fingertips on the heel first. Then right elbow down. Then left elbow down. Then head down. Then shoulder down. Then grab the elbow. Then chin down. Then bring your knee together like the miss. Very good. Your shoulder should be down. Your hip should be down. Your stomach up, chest up. To never have any stomach problem, the digestion problem. To fix the knee. Anything good from every culture for human being will never die. Every culture has something good for human, will never die. Very good. Good for digestion, good for the knee, good for the lower back, for maintaining your thyroid gland, hormones. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change. Sit in the Japanese style. Heels together, knee together. Even is fine. Arms up. Stretch your arm. Very nice. Chin up, chest up. Inhale, breathing. Go down, straight spine. All 5 fingers together, pray position. Touch the forehead on the floor. Touch the hips on the heel. There should be no gap between the hips and the heel. Every inhale, you stretch your arm, your wrists together. Every exhale, stretch your arm to open the shoulder scapula. Push your hips on the heel. Touch the tip of the nose on the floor. Your stomach on the thigh. Your chest away from the knee. touch the forehead on the floor. Touch the tip of the nose on the floor. With both the eyes, watch the tip of the nose. Don't lift the hips from the heel. Lift your arms up in the air first. Go even, halfway up, even, and stop. Then go down. Don't touch the floor and come up without leaving your hips from the heel. And come up, straight spine. Bravo, bravo, bravo. Gracia. Mercy. Now stand on the knee. You can face each other. Please. Open the knee. Thank you. Good student. I had fun with you. Keep your arms on your hips. You have a choice to be miserable or joyful. Definitely joyful. Push your hips front. Keep your arms like you're keeping on the jeans pocket. Push your hips front. Drop the head back. Go halfway down and grab the heel. Thumb out, finger in. Very good. Thumb out, finger in. Drop the head. Very good. Push your hips front. Push your thigh front. Push your chest up. The chest is the highest point. Your life like a Mount Everest, full experience. That's the deepest part of your ocean. Open the chest. Open the rib cage. Give yourself a best gift. Forgive everybody. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. After this class, you are reborn. You start a new life. Camel posture is a master pose like triangle posture. Hairstand is a master pose. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Same way, come up. Keep your arms on your hips. Sit now. Sit. Now rabbit pose. Very good. Touch the forehead to the knee. Very nice. Touch the forehead to the knee. The top of the head touching the floor. Grab the heel. Rabbit. Lift your hips up. Walk your knee. Very good. It should be like this. There should be no gap between the forehead and the knee. Elbow lock. Shoulder going up. Not to have headache problem. Not to have cold problem. Not to have sinus problem. Listen to the bird sound. Listen to the ocean sound. We are in the terrace. We have a front of us ocean. Stomach tight. Connect with the nature. You are in the meditation. Stomach is in. Stay there. Freeze for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change. Thank you. Mercy. Now you can face the mirror. Right leg out. Left leg bend. Separately. If you know how to do split, you can do split. Yes, one leg straight. For you, regular even. Yeah. And one leg at the back, please, miss. Bravo. Very good. For even, grab the toe. For miss, first do stretch up, miss, first. Go back first, miss. Then go front. Just arm should be like this. Yes. Very good. And touch the forehead. That's the advanced posture. To maintain sugar. Elbow close to your calf muscle. Elbow below the calf muscle like head to knee. Stomach in tight. Stay there. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change. Left leg out. Arms up. Go and grab the left foot. Very nice. Touch the forehead to the knee. Bravo. Super. Maintain the sugar. No high sugar, no low sugar. Stomach in tight. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change. Both the legs in the front. Lie on your back. Arms back. Strong sit up. Grab the toe with your victory finger and thumb and walk it at the back. Walk, walk, walk all the way. Walk at the back. Give a massage. Yeah, lift your hips up. Yeah, very good. Lift your hips up, buttock up. Then lift your heels up in there. Then elbow close to your calf muscle. Then go and bite your toe. Go and kiss the toe. Kiss the right toe. Kiss the left toe like the miss. Stomach on the thigh. Chest on the knee. Go and bite your toe. Your leg stretching. Your hip stretching. Your whole body stretching. Nothing is missing. I was talking to catch the monkey mind. Everybody wants your time. Your family wants your time. The office wants the time. This time is for you. Healthy mama will take care of the healthy kids. So we need mama healthy first. Pull, 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 change. Bend the left knee in front of your face. Spine twisting. The nose, the knee in one line. The nose, the navel, knee in one line. Very good. Left arm back. Both the hips in one line. Arms back. Very good. Chin up, chest up. Then with this arm, grab the knee. Very nice. Super. Very good. Very nice. Then give it back to me, this arm. Very good. Then this arm, put it here. Very good. Then twist. Thank you. Both the hips will now look to me. Left knee down. Lift your spine up. Point your toe. Very nice. Heel should touch the hips. Very good. 10. Squeeze. 9. 8. Squeeze the stomach. Energy traveling to your crown chakra. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. The happy smiling face. 4. 3. 2. 1. Change. I enjoyed with you. Right knee in front of your face. Heel touching. Right arm up. Push the knee. Grab the knee. Super. Grab the knee or grab the fingertips. Very nice. Wow. Super. You can grab the fingertips with the knee and the heel touching each other. Then you can grab the pocket at the back. Very good. This pocket inside. Now look on the chin on the left shoulder. Now look to me. Right knee down, smile. Look, the nice coconut tree at the back. Both the hips down. Twist, twist, twist the stomach. Squeeze the stomach. Twist, twist, twist. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Knee down, hips down, chest up. Twist, 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 twist. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change. Sit in the Japanese style. We started with breathing exercise. Pranayam breathing. We finished with Kapalbhati. Breathing exercise to trim down your stomach, to lift up the face, to make your lungs strong, heart strong, your elbow locked, your spine straight. Swallow couple of times. Only stomach movement, no body movement. Swallow couple of times. Only exhale. Inhale will happen automatically. Swallow couple of times and start, please. Exhale, exhale, exhale. Energy, 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 energy. Energy, 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 energy. Burn calories, gain energy. To have a nice rest of the day. To lose weight. To trim down your stomach. To make your lungs strong. Heart strong. To have a nice rest of the day. When you exhale more, you breathe properly. When you feel cold, to heat up the body. Kapalbhati. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lie on your back, relax. Dead body pose, Savasana. You're already here for dead body pose. The real meditation begins now. Be in the comfortable position. No need to listen to me. Listen to your breath. Listen to your heart, your inner world. Listen to the nature. Don't engage yourself with your thought. You're in your meditation. Go to sleep. Have a little power nap. Your head relax. Your shoulder relax. Your arm relax. Your fingertips relax. Say thank you to your arm. Your spine relax. Your hips relax. Your calves relax. Your toe relax. Your whole body relax. You're in meditation. Relax, relax, relax. We came to change the atmosphere in the mind, to have a nice rest of the day. Very good. Listen to your heart. Feel your heart. Listen to your breath. Don't engage yourself for your thought. Thank you for coming. Thank you for listening. Have a great day. Namaste.